In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted user account in Google Workspace. First, head to the Google Admin Console and sign in using an administrator account with the right permissions. If you're not a super admin, make sure your role includes user management or ask someone who has it to follow along. Once you're in, you'll start on the Admin Console home. Next, open the Users area. From the home page, go to Directory, then select Users. This page lists all active users in your organization. We're looking for an account that was deleted, so we won't see it here yet, but this is the place where you manage users once they're restored. To locate a deleted account, look for the Recently Deleted Users view, or use the search bar at the top and type the person's name or their former email address. Google Workspace retains deleted accounts for a limited time so they can be brought back, so act as soon as you realize the mistake to increase the chance of a full recovery. When you find the correct entry, open it to confirm it's the right user. Double-check details like the display name or any identifiers you recognize to avoid restoring the wrong account, especially if there are similarly named users. Now, restore the account. Click Restore User. You may be prompted to confirm the action, and you might be asked to choose the organizational unit where the user belongs. Pick the unit that matches their team or department. If you're unsure, you can place them in your default unit and move them later. After you confirm, give the system some time. Restoration can complete in a few minutes, but in some cases it may take several hours. During this period, Gmail, Google Drive, Calendar, and other workspace services will gradually become available again for that user as data and permissions are reconnected in the background. Once the account is back, consider resetting the password as a security best practice. Open the restored user's profile, click Reset Password, and create a temporary password. Share it securely with the user and let them know to sign in and update it right away. Finally, verify that the user's data is present. Check that Gmail messages appear in their mailbox, Drive files and shared folders are accessible, calendar events have returned, contacts are available, and shared documents open as expected. If something seems missing, wait a bit longer. Some items can take additional time to finish syncing. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted user in Google Workspace, ensured secure access, and confirmed critical data is back in place.